Richard Kiyosaki said, OPM, use other people's money. How do you do that in real estate? How to do that is when you have a down payment and you do not have a complete payment. For example, right now I'm right at the front of Marriott Hotel in Manchester Central. So you see, all around here, these are assets that people build with other people's money. Some will be wondering how did they got this. Some will even call them drug dealers. Some call them fraudulent people. Stop that nonsense. You need to ask how, why, where. These are the questions you need to ask. When you're starting up life, you ask questions. You learn. These things have secrets and they have codes. They have the system, the process on how to create this thing called wealth. It does not just happen overnight. You have to be intentional on this. You have to ask questions, follow the right people. That's the way it works. So it's not just about look around here. What you saw, these are assets. These are very highbrow areas. It's not everybody can afford to live here. These are areas where you look around, you see people have built wealth over the years, they've made things, and all you need to ask questions. And that's where we are here in Manchester. So we'll be having real estate summit that's going to be happening. We're partnering with NPP. NPP is one of the UK real estate management company. I just finished a meeting with them in their office at the Manchester Central, and all we're talking about is how to help people create wealth, help people invest, help people make clean and brilliant living, build wealth, generational wealth. All over the world, the story is the same. The system is the same. The sense is the same. The application is the same. It could be different currencies, but the system process of building wealth, real estate is one of the best and most reliable wealth curation. And it's transferable and generational income, cash flow, cash flow. That's what we're talking about. Cash flow, cash flow. How does it happen? Does it happen by overnight? No. Somebody has to create the system, somebody has to create the process, and then the process will generate the income that we're talking about here. It does not happen overnight. You have to be intentional with this. People around here, you see this vicinity, you see people are moving, the people are walking all around, and what are they doing? All they're doing is creating assets. So if you want to know more, to follow me or ask for meeting, we can schedule a meeting. In that meeting, we're going to be presenting you with the portfolios that we have. And we have right now a threefold. It's ongoing project off plan, 2 bedroom, £270,000. We have for £340,000. These things work. And in a year, you could probably be making return on investment of between 7 to 8% per year. And most of them, for the monthly rentals, is about £1,500, £1,900 per year and per month. But pardon me. So those are the way to create the wealth. So you pay down very small down payment, and then you have a very structured payment, monthly payments, and they lock it in. And they start to generate the wealth. And in the UK, the most interesting thing of investing in real estate in the UK is you only pay for stamp. There's no yearly property tax in the UK. This is very interesting. There's no yearly property tax like you have on some other countries. Nothing like that happens in the UK. So you have opportunity to be able to invest, unlike in Canada and the other countries that you pay property tax every year. Nothing like that. And even if you're not living here, you do not have the legal right to live in the UK. You can still make investment. That's the most important, stressing part of it. You can still make your investment and we manage it. With NPP, which is our real estate partner in the UK, we've helped people who are not foreigners, non-residential people, to invest in the UK real estate sector. And they created wealth, cash flow. Now, most of them came from a country that has weak currencies. That's an opportunity for you to diversify and create income, income. So you create assets for yourself, and you create assets for your children, and of course you liberate yourself, you liberate your, and the private venture you have invested in some other places. Try us, and let's see how we have great opportunity for investors all over the world to join us in this journey, and we make it successful. And that's what we're talking about. Tick Daily 111. Look at it over there. Tick Daily 111. Did you see that? Tick Daily 111. So this thing works. Ladies and gentlemen, works. Schedule a meeting and we'll be available. My name once again is Nwali Tochi. I'm the owner of TD Homes and Real Estate, and I work with a group of experts and knowledgeable real estate brokers all over the world. So in the UK here, we partner with MPP. MPP is one of the biggest real estate managers in the UK. They've won several awards for the helping to grow income for individuals, corporates, and investors. So we are going to help you to make things work for you. Thank you so much and have a good day.